Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Calvin's Kitchen. Today we're making spinach and mushrooms manicotti. Set a large pot with water over high heat and bring to a boil. To the water, add in a pinch of kosher salt. For this recipe, we're using 1 box of manicotti pasta. To prevent the pasta from sticking to each other, add in a splash of olive oil. Then cook the pasta for about 9 minutes. Make sure not to overcook the pasta. If you were to overcook them, they will break and just fall apart. Once the pasta has been cooked, drain and transfer them onto a baking tray. Lay them on a single layer and let them cool off. Now, in a large skillet over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then add in 2 cloves of garlic minced. Cook off the garlic until fragrant. Then add in 12 ounces of baby bella mushrooms diced. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Continue cooking the mushrooms until brown. Then add in 12 ounces of baby spinach. You may add the spinach in increments as to not overcrowd the pan. Once the spinach has been cooked, you may remove from the heat and set it aside. Now, using a 9x13 baking dish, cover the bottom with marinara sauce. To the mixture, add in 12 ounces of ricotta cheese, followed by half a cup of freshly grated Parmigiano-Reggiano. Go ahead and beat 2 large eggs. The 2 beaten eggs. Go ahead and mix until evenly incorporated. Now, using a teaspoon, fill the manicotti with the mixture. Once they have been filled, place on the prepared baking dish. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then cover them with marinara sauce. Top them off with freshly grated Parmigiano-Reggiano. Now bake at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese has melted. And for the best results, before placing in the oven, cover with aluminum foil, which I forgot to do here. And if everything goes according to plan, they will look like this. You are ready to eat. There you guys have it, manicotti with spinach and mushrooms. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!